Welcome to the homework solution tutorial. This is on 3C, the solving by the quadratic formula. I will be covering number 1 and number 2 in this video. It says to solve by the quadratic formula, making sure the equation is in standard form before you do anything. Okay, number 1 is lucky enough already in standard form. So here I can simply get my A, B, and C. So I just brought this template over, but these are my steps that you should memorize to finding your A, B, and C. So A is the number in front, which is 1. B here looks like it is -5. And C here is -24. That is the quadratic formula, so I can now make that substitution. -5 goes into there, -5 goes into here, -4. A is 1, C is -24, and that bottom here is a 1. Okay, we can now simplify. Let's do the algebra very carefully. So it equals to, this becomes a +5 plus and minus. Let's see, this becomes, let's do this on the side, -5. So let's do this on the side, okay? I want to grab this real quick and I'll bring it to this side, okay? Be very careful. So this looks like this becomes a +25, okay? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add, and I'm just going to write this, -4 times 1 times -24. That's much better. So this becomes 25 plus, that looks, -4 times 1 is -4. So -4 times -24, that says 25 plus -4 times -24 is what? 80. Wait, 24 times 4. 16, 1, 4. 8, 9, 96. So this becomes 96. Yeah. So this becomes a 96 here. Okay. I think 96 plus 25. Let's do that. 96 plus 25. 11, 9, 10, 11, 12, 121. Oh, that looks pretty. 121 divided by 2. I think 121. What's 11 times 11? Let's see that. Hold on. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 0, 1, 1. 121. Oh, yeah. Square root of 121 is equal to 11. So that's nice. So this can be simple. This can be actually broken down more. You see how I can just check it? Okay. So this can be broken down into x is equal to 5 plus and minus. We know the square root of 121 is 11 over 2. So we want to know the first solution is going to be x is equal to x plus 11 divided by 2. That becomes what? 16 over 2. That becomes 8. And your second solution is going to be x is equal to 5 minus 11 divided by 2. So that becomes what? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that becomes -6 over 2. This becomes -3. So x is equal to 8 is your first solution. And x is equal to -3 is your second solution. Okay. Remember, when the numbers are pretty like this, make sure to evaluate it through until the last term. Okay. And let's look at 2 here. Same process, but we want to make sure this is in standard form. So I'm going to add 3b to the other side, and I'm going to add 10 to the other side. So it should look like b squared plus 3b plus 10. Okay, now we can follow our method of using the quadratic equation. All right, here's the template. All right, so the number in front here is a, which is 1. That b is this number in front, which is 3. And the c here is the constant, which is 10. Plug it in. 3 here, 3 here, 4. Square root, negative 4a. Plug in that 1. This is also 1. And this is also a 10. Okay? All right. Be careful on the evaluating part or simplifying part. So this becomes a negative 3 plus and minus. We could always do this on the side. Okay? So always do this on the side if you would like. So let's see what this is. So this looks like a 9. Okay, I'm going to add, and this is negative 4, 1, 10. This looks like, hold on, did I do this right? Oh, I did this wrong. I'm supposed to subtract. Yeah, I knew it. I'm supposed to subtract that 10 here. So this is supposed to be a negative 10. So this is a negative 10. That makes more sense. Because this number in this unit should always be positive. So negative 4 times 1 times negative 10 is a positive 40. Okay, and you still have that 9 in front. You see, that's very pretty. So this becomes 49. So inside this radical is radical 49. Okay, here's that work on how I evaluate it. Okay, you can do it without a calculator. Divide it by 2. Okay, please note, I'm going to now get rid of this work. Please note that the square root of 49 is plus and minus 7. Okay, so simplify that a little bit further. X is equal to negative 3 plus and minus 7 divided by 2. So your first solution is going to be x is equal to negative 3 plus 7 divided by 2. So add this together. This is 4 over 2 gets you a 2. X is equal to 2 is your first solution. Second solution is going to be x is equal to negative 3 minus 7 divided by 2. Negative 3 minus 7 is negative 10 divided by 2. That gets us a negative 5. So x is equal to negative 5. So those are your two solutions. There you go. All right, that was number 1 and number 2 for solving with your quadratics.